Thank you so much for coming back. I hope that you've watched the previous 4 videos. This video is going to be a bit technical, I would say, or a bit academic, right? Because this video is focused on building your expertise, building your knowledge, building your focus in one domain or maybe 2, 3 domains you can choose from and then work on them. Now, why I'm saying this? I mean, why specialized domain knowledge is very, very important. I will give you a very good example, right? When you go and talk to a person who's senior to you, or you think a person who may be junior to you, or maybe at your own level, okay? Let's say you're talking about artificial intelligence. At that point of time, when you go to a person and you're not confident enough, you're not confident enough, not because you are not having a good suit, or you can't speak a good English, or you don't have that skill, that tonation, is because maybe you don't have that knowledge of AI or machine learning or big data, Hadoop, Spark, and there are so many things, right? So you need to work on yourself to build the knowledge. Choose a specific domain. Which domain interests you? Personal development, technical domain, management domain, right? Healing domain. There are so many different kinds of domains that you can work on and then build up your knowledge. It will not only help you to have, always, it will not only help you to have these things in your mind, but also when you go and speak in front of anyone, you're going to be more confident. When you are confident about what you speak, it's going to show up in your personality in front of others. And when people, at the point of time, people is going to take you as a person of authority. And let me tell you this, anytime, any moment, anywhere, when people start considering you as a person of authority in that particular domain, they're not only going to like you, but they're going to follow your advice and the work that you do. And hence, you will have that good feeling of yourself. People now recognize your work. So I'm sure everybody wants to do that, but there are different ways of doing it, right? Don't start reading a book, a bunch of books, and then you get bored out of it and then do nothing. There are different ways, right? There are 3 ways that I can suggest you that is going to help you to build knowledge. Again, definitely books are there, but fast, easy books. Easy to not only remember but easy to read as well. Don't go into the technicalities or the things that makes your mind very complex, because whatever makes your mind complex is going to not help you to have interest in. You're going to lose it after a long period of time, and even in a short period of time as well. Forget about the long period of time, right? Do the things, read something that is very short, maybe an article, and maybe a magazine, or maybe AI, machine learning, or personal development, and then gradually scale it up. That's one thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do is read an article. Go to Google, type all the things that's happening across the world on these topics at this point of time, and then read it one after the other, and then reflect yourself. Self-reflection is the key, and that's what I learned in the armed forces. If you don't reflect of yourself of what you have learned, you're not going to have the true value of yourself. Now, third thing always is the most convenient thing that easily you can grasp is watching videos. You can watch videos on Google, you can watch videos directly from YouTube. Maybe any single topic that you feel like is interesting and you want to go ahead and learn about it, implement it, do a research about it, build your thought capability on all these things, and that's going to help you, make you feel good. No, don't jump watch any YouTube video. There are different kind of recommendations. They're going to come of comedy and all of different sort of structure is going to lure you to entertainment part and all these things. Try avoiding that and watch on to something that is for a long period of time. Won't say about a movie, but definitely I would recommend you go ahead with a documentary. Right? There are different documentaries on different kinds of objects, different kinds of specific domains, and these kind of documentaries are not only going to interest you because they are made in that way, but also at the same time it's going to flourish your knowledge. See, you don't need to be a PhD in emotional intelligence to make the other person understand that you understand emotional intelligence, right? What you need to do is show it, apply it, and maybe when asked upon, have some tips, have some small breakpoints, some unique key sessions that you can go and speak to them and maybe advise them. That is something which is going to make you feel good, because first thing, you're applying things. Second thing, you know what it is. Third thing, now you're suggesting other people. It's going to build your ability, your rapport in front of other people. And then people are going to start liking you, and maybe this lockdown will be more fruitful to you, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure this video was really helpful to you, because knowledge is always helpful, but you have to implement that knowledge. Keep that in mind. Right, the second thing. So if you think that you have any friends or colleague who might be interested in watching this video and it's going to be helpful for them, right, then do think of sharing this video. And if you are particularly in any domain, you're looking for any kind of knowledge, write down in the comment box so that others can get inspired, because this community is increasing day by day. And join the community when it's small so that I can know you personally, rather than when it's already hit millions, but I'm sure it's going to do that, right? So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day ahead, and there's one more episode and one more video coming up. Don't forget to watch that, right? Thank you so much for this. Have a great day. Bye bye.